Good morning everyone, and welcome to Vfive Group. Today, I'm going to give you a brief introduction to one of the most important aspects of our organization, ISO, or the International Organization for Standardization. 1. What is ISO? ISO stands for the International Standardization Organization, an independent, non-governmental international body that develops and publishes standards across various industries. The goal of ISO is to ensure that products and services are safe, reliable, and of high quality. By following ISO standards, organizations like ours can operate more efficiently, reduce errors, and build trust, especially among consumers who value environmentally responsible and ethical practices. ISO also plays a key role in helping businesses like ours innovate and remain competitive in the global market. 2. ISO at Vfive Group. Vfive Group is committed to maintaining high standards across our operations. Let me walk you through some of the key ISO certifications we uphold. ISO 9001:2015, Quality Management System established since 2019, this standard ensures we consistently meet regulatory and customer requirements, improving customer satisfaction. As a new member of our team, your role will be to follow our standard operating procedures, SOPs, contribute to continual improvement, and provide feedback or suggestions to enhance our processes. You'll have the opportunity to meet with our ISO officers, supervisors, and experienced staff to better understand the workflow and how you can contribute. ISO 37001:2016, Anti-Bribery Management System. Since 2023, Vfive Group has enforced ISO 37001 to promote ethical business practices and prevent corruption. With 80 SOPs currently in place, it is vital that you understand and adhere to our anti-bribery policy. If you ever encounter suspicious activities, report them immediately. You will also be required to complete mandatory training on ethical practices. ISO 45001:2018, Occupational Safety and Health Management System to be implemented by 2025, this standard will help us proactively manage health and safety risks to prevent work-related injuries and illnesses. Your responsibilities include participating in safety training, following safety procedures, using personal protective equipment, PPE, and reporting any unsafe conditions or incidents. ISO 41001:2018, Facility Management System. This will also be introduced in 2025 and will ensure that our facilities are maintained and operated efficiently. You'll need to use and maintain the facilities responsibly, report any maintenance issues, and comply with facility management policies. Good distribution practice for medical devices, GDPMD. Since 2020, we've adhered to GDPMD guidelines to ensure the quality and safety of medical devices. In your role, you will be responsible for following proper handling and storage protocols, ensuring proper documentation and labeling, and reporting any issues that could affect product quality. 5S program established in 2023, our 5S program focuses on improving workplace efficiency, reducing waste, enhancing safety, and creating a more organized and productive environment. You will be expected to keep your workspace clean and organized, follow established procedures, and contribute ideas to help us continuously improve.
Next, I'll be briefing you on some key policies and systems that guide our operations and ensure we maintain high standards of quality, ethics, and transparency across the organization. 1. Quality Policy, ISO 9001. At Vfive Group, we strive for excellence in everything we do, particularly in our exhibitions and events. We are committed to meeting the requirements of our products and services in line with applicable codes, statutory obligations, and client specifications. Involving all employees, subcontractors, and vendors in achieving and continually improving the effectiveness of our Quality Management System, QMS. Consistently working towards meeting our key performance indicators, KPIs. Conducting periodic management review meetings to assess and ensure the relevance, effectiveness, and suitability of our QMS for continual improvement. 2. Anti-bribery policy statement. Our top management maintains a zero-tolerance approach towards all forms of bribery. At Vfive Group, we value good governance and ethical conduct in all our operations to ensure sustainability in our actions and decisions. We are committed to establishing, maintaining, and periodically reviewing the effectiveness of the Anti-Bribery Management System, ABMS, and continuously improving it. Complying with all relevant laws and regulations related to bribery and corruption by instilling integrity, transparency, and accountability in every aspect of our business. Promoting integrity and good corporate governance in all our business dealings, ensuring that all employees, business associates, and stakeholders adhere to the ABMS policy and its related procedures. Implementing awareness programs through campaigns and appropriate training to employees and stakeholders on the risks and consequences of corruption. Taking swift and appropriate action against any violations of the anti-bribery management system. 3. Objectives of the anti-bribery management system. To build and promote a bribery-free culture within Vfive Group, we aim to provide at least 2 hours of ABMS training per person annually to all employees. Achieve a 100% reduction in reported incidents of bribery and corruption across all operational areas each year. Promote ABMS among all business associates. Conduct an annual risk assessment to score risks and ensure that high-risk areas are mitigated by at least 80% within 6 months of identification. This will be accomplished with strong management commitment, employee involvement, effective training, and solid cooperation from stakeholders. 4. Whistleblower policy. We encourage all employees, the public, suppliers, contractors, and third parties to report any violations of the Code of Conduct, including corruption, unlawful acts, misconduct, abuse of power, or malpractice. These can be reported through established channels without fear or concern. We ensure that whistleblowers are protected and their identities kept confidential, except in cases where the disclosure was made in bad faith or for personal gain. We highly encourage you to report any corrupt activities or misconduct to ensure transparency and ethical practices across Vfive Group. 5. Gift policy. All personnel at Vfive Group are prohibited from requesting or receiving gifts such as money, hampers, holiday sponsorships, services, or anything of value from any party that may influence official duties. Gifts should not be accepted if given with corrupt or criminal intent. If refusing a gift is not possible, the individual must report it in writing to the head of department for approval. We adhere to the guidelines on giving and receiving gifts, as set forth in Service Circular No. 3 of 1998. 6. ISO officer contact information. For any further inquiries, please refer to the contact information provided in the attachment for our ISO officers. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to your contributions to upholding these values and systems as you become an integral part of the Vfive Group team.